today we are going to discuss some MCQ, some problems on this set theory. MCQs on set theory. So now we are going to discuss about some problems. So first one is, suppose here which of the following sets are null sets? So you can find out which of the following sets, which of the following sets are null sets. So option A, option B, which of the following sets are null sets? So option A and option B and option um, see here 18th question. Which of the following are null sets? Here you can observe which of the following are the null sets. Here, that is, tell me which of the following is null set. Okay, so this is C and D. So here, coming to this C, that is null set is like this. So this is what the null set, and this is also null set. That means C and D are the options. So now coming to which of the following sets are empty. So in this, which of the following sets are empty? Coming to the 19th question, x equal to x. This is not empty set. X not equal to x. This is x equal to x square and x not equal to x square. So this is what B is the empty set. And coming to this one, what is the power set? So you know that what is the power set? Here write the power set for this 10th question, sorry, 28th question. So power set into A equal to what only? Here only two elements. So this contains only two elements. That means power set contains how many number of elements? That means 4 elements. That is power set of A equal to empty x, y, then next x comma 1. So then what is the answer here? Here asked about proper subset. Sorry. So this is what the proper subset. 21 question. Okay. So here the proper subsets means these three are the proper subsets. So దీనికి ఎన్ని subsets ఉంటాయి మనకి? This is the subset and this is the subset and this is the subset. For this set, these three are the subsets. So these three are the proper subsets. So proper, so phi subset are equal to x comma y, x subset are equal to x comma y, y subset are equal to x comma y. So x y అనేది this is equal to x y. Then the next. Now, so coming to the 22 question, if A and B are sets, A union B equal to B union A. So when it is possible, ever possible outundi, this is possible, that is A and B, both the sets are equal, union, that means A union B equal to A intersection B. And coming to the 23, so here x, y, z are the sets, that set x subset of y, y subset of z, then actually the x subset of z avali. But there is no option, so that's why none of these. Okay, then next come to this 24, x and y are two sets, x intersection y union x complement equals C, that is empty set. So x is some set, y is some set. That means here, for example, here, for example, mu equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you can observe x equal to 1, 2 and y equal to what only 3. Okay. Next here x union y equal to what only 1, 2, 3. So x union y complement is what only 4. So here what x intersection, this is what the x and this is what x y complement. That is now x intersection y union x complement equal to null set. Means here this is what universal set and this is x, this is y. Then next this is what x union y is 1, 2, 3. Then x intersection y x union y whole complement equal to empty set. So this is the rule. Is x intersection y union x complement equal to empty set. Okay. So then next coming to the 27th one. Relation R defined on the set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Then y equal to this one. Then it is what? So this type of relation R is called what? Here 27th question, R is which type of relation? So here it is satisfied, sir. So it satisfies the reflexive property 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. 1, 1 is there, 2, 2. That means x equal to x, y equal to y, z equal to z. Sorry, that means x equal to x. Reflexive property is satisfied here. Suppose you can observe here the symmetric property 1 to 1. So from 1 to other, that means here there is no, this is, sorry, this 27th one is, 27th one is reflexive and symmetric, then transitive. Okay, 1 to 1. Oh, so sorry, there is no transitive. 1 to 1, 1 to 1. So okay, so all these three manaki ante main ga enti, this is the reflexive property and okay, it satisfies the reflexive property. Then next, if relation R is depend on natural numbers, A divides by B, A comma B belongs to N. So then R is what? R is what? R is reflexive and transitive. A divides B. So here, for example, suppose R equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here A divides B. That means A, first 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3, 4 comma 4, and 5 comma 5, next 6 comma 6. So this is what the each and every number divides by itself. That is the reflexive property. It satisfies the reflexive property. So coming to the transitive metric property, suppose 2 comma 1, A divides by here this one. A divides B. Okay, A divides B nothing but suppose A divides B. That means 2 divided by 1. A divides B. Okay, so 3, 1. So again, suppose here 2 comma 1. This is not divisible. Suppose here ante ikkada manaki this is not. And then next, suppose here here it satisfies what and reflexive and transitive. Suppose it is 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 4. So this is what the transitive property. So that it satisfies the reflexive and transitive. And coming to this one, this is what here relation R, that means for 29th question. So reflexive relation R depend on a set N. So here A minus B divides by 5. That is 29th question. So it satisfies the reflexive property, symmetric property as well as transitive property. So kavalante have to check by using this example. So then next, okay, here relation R. Now next, this is the 30th question. Relation R is dependent on a set N, A comma B. Here A comma B both are odd. So both are odd numbers. Then it satisfies which property? That is the symmetric property. That means suppose here there is odd numbers 1 comma 1. Okay, and here and A and B both are odd numbers. Means so ఇక్కడ natural numbers 2 comma 2. So ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమవుతుంది? This is not. Okay, so here 1 comma 1 is there, 1 comma 3 is there. Otherwise 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1 is there. So that it satisfies a symmetric property. Satisfies the symmetric property. So then, so this is what R is a equivalence relation. That is, then R inverse satisfies the equivalence means reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So automatically, and R inverse is also satisfies the all these properties. That is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Then next, here that is n by m means that a factor n is a factor of m. Then the relation I is. So that is 32 is a reflexive, transitive, and not symmetric. So kavalante once you can check all this. Okay. So then next, suppose here sometimes the question is like this. Suppose you can observe this question 34 here. Coming to this 34, that is here a equal to x, y, z and b equal to u, v, w, u, v, w. Now the function f a to b defined by f of x equal to u, f of y equal to u and f of z equal to w. That means, so this is what a, this is what b. So here the function f, that is x, y, z, here u, v, w. That means f of x, f of x equal to u. That means here u is the image and x is free image. And f of y equal to v. Then f of z equal to w. Okay, so this is what the function. Okay, here you can observe this function is one-to-one function because here there is a relation, a different element with a different element. So this is what one-to-one. So then next it satisfies the onto also. That means for every image there is an pre-image. Now this is what onto. Okay, here this is what onto. So that's why. So this is what 34th question. That's why this is called as here bijective. Bijective means if the function both one-to-one and onto, now that function is called as bijective function. Okay, so if it is a 1-1 or 1-1 or onto or into, then that is injective. It is injective. So if it is 1-1 and into, that is surjective. So here the answer is bijective. Then next, suppose if A and B are sets, then which of the following is false? So here, there is all these three are true because A minus B complement. There is nothing but complement means other than. That means here A minus B are the sets. Here A is one set and B is another set. Here A is this one. So this portion is called as A intersection B. So this whole portion is called as A union B. Okay. Now here this is A minus B complement. So B complement means here those elements. That means suppose universal set. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are there. This is the universal set. Here A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 5 only. Okay, and here 3 is there, here 3 is there. Okay, then here A minus B complement. So what is the B complement here? B complement nothing but here 1, 2, 4. A minus B complement is nothing but what can be? A minus B complement is nothing but here that is 1, 2, 4. That element is in A but not in B. Here 1, 2. Element is in A, sorry. Element is in A but not in B. That means only 3 items. So ఇక్కడ A intersection B ఏమవుతుందండి? Here A intersection B equal to 3. That is this one is right. And A subset of B. Okay, A is suppose here A is subset of B. Suppose here A is subset of B nothing but suppose here only A contains 3 only. Now B complement subset of A complement. Here A complement is nothing but 1, 2, 4, 5. B complement is nothing but 1, 2, 4. It means this B complement is subset of this A complement. Okay, this is also right. So now this one is A minus of A minus B. So A minus B nothing but. So this is also equal to this A intersection B. So A minus of A intersection B. Here in this case A intersection B. Suppose I'm taking here 1, 2, 3. So in this case, A minus B, here the element is A, but not in here. That means only 1 and 2. This is what A minus B. What is A of A minus B? Here the element is here, but not in here. So in this case, only 3. So this is intersection A, intersection B. So all these 3 are correct. The next, here, so this is what, now see here, like that you can check some questions. Okay, now see here, this one, A minus B union C. So which one is correct? A minus B intersection A minus C. So like that you can check all these. Okay, now here suppose you can check this function, whether this function is injective, surjective, or both injective and surjective. Suppose you can check this one is, this function is what? X square. Here x, f of x, so x square. Here this is f of x equal to x square is which? So this is here 1, 2, 3. Here this is f of x equal to x square. 1, 4, suppose 6, sorry, 9. 1 to 1, this one and this one. So this is what? 1 to 1 and 1 to 1 and onto. So this is what? 1 to 1 and onto. So like that you can check one by one. So the number of functions, so what? 46. So coming to this 46. Okay, 46, the number of functions 1, 2, 3 up to n. That means suppose here A contains n number of elements and B contains m number of elements. Then what is, that means how many 1 to 1 functions? Only 1 to 1 functions ఉంటాయి. That means we already this is చెప్పాం. That means ఇక్కడ here A equal to n and B equal to m. So now it contains m to the power of n 1 to 1 functions. Now, which of the following relations may be characterized as a function defined under set this one? Here 47, that is option D. So here x comma y belongs to I, x less than y. So this is not. And x greater than y. So ఇలా మీకు 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. So ఇలా మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, which of the following relations may be characterized as functions depend on the set this one. Okay, and this is, so none of this. Then next, suppose here partitions concept మీకు లేదు. Then next, suppose here when A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and R depend on A by x relates to y if x plus 1 equal to y, then R3 is what? So here this is what? Suppose here A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 49. A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 also. Okay. Here x relates to y. X relates to, that is, sorry, x relates to y. So the relation is like this, x plus 1 equal to y. Okay. That means, suppose 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Now, 1 plus 3 equal to, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. Next 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Next 1 plus 4 equal to 5. Okay. Now x plus 1. So this is what? Now here this ante this is now one, this is completed. R3. That means here 3. Now this is what? Okay. 3 means here first this is one time 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4. Next 2 1. Next 2 2. Next 2 3. So next 2 4. Not 2 4. 2 3 completed. 3 2 is completed. Next 3 1 is also there. 3 1 3 2 and 4 1. So these are in first time. Next R2. How we can find out the R2 for this? That is for R2 second time. That is from 1 1 and 1 2. Here 1 2 and then next 1 2. Next from 1 1 1 2. Again you can write all these things. So after that here this is what R3 for this. So otherwise మీరు composition చేసినా వస్తుంది, that is R3 find out చేసినా వస్తుంది. Otherwise directly this 3 plus 1. Okay, now this is one is 1 plus 4 5, then 2 plus 5 and 2 comma 5. Okay, this is 2 comma 5. 1 plus 1. Okay, ఈ యొక్క రిలేషన్ సారీ x plus y x plus 1 equal to y. సో ఇలా మీరు R3 composition so 1 1 like that. Next 1 1 1 2. Next 1 1 1 3. Next 1 4. Next here 1 2. Next 1 1. The option D ఉంది, నేను ఒకసారి చెక్ చేస్తాను, నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో ఇస్తాను మీకు. ఆప్షన్ డి ఉంది. ఓకే, నేను నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో ఆప్షన్ సి ఉంది, నేను నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో ఇస్తాను. సో దెన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ద కాంపోజిషన్. సో కాంపోజిట్ ఆర్ రాయమంటున్నాడు. సో కాంపోజిషన్ ఎలా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేశారు? సపోజ్ హియర్ ఆర్ ఈజ్ సమ్ రిలేషన్ లైక్ దిస్ 1 comma 1 3 comma 1 2 comma 3, next 4 comma 2. So this is some then which of the following represents R square, where R square is the R composite R. That means this one. Okay, now it is now here once again you can write R like this 1 comma 1 3 comma 1 2 comma 3 4 comma 2. Now R square equal to R composition R. That is 1 1 1 1. No, 1 1 is there. Now from 1 1 any ones are there? No. So coming to 3 comma 1, here 1. Now 3 comma 1 1 1. Now 3 comma 1. So there is no 1. Now leave it this one. Now 2 3. So 3 1. That is here 2 1. Again you can observe here any one is starts with 3. There is no. Now 4 2. Here 4 2 2 3 is there. Now it is what 4 3. Suppose you can observe anyone is with the 2. No. 4 2 2 3. So again there is no 2. 1 1 3 1 2 1 4 3. 1 1 3 1 2 1. 1 1 2 1 4 3 3 1. So this is what it is third. Okay. Coming to the 51, if I is a set of positive integers and relation R is defined over set I by x to the power of I equal to y to the power of x. So this is what 51, that is D. It satisfies a reflexive, symmetric and transed. Okay. Now, here there is subset relation and a set of sets. Subset relation, that is, this is a subset relation on set of sets. Suppose S is some set of sets. So this subset relational set of set, it satisfies what అండి? So already మనం దీనిపైన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసాము at the time of coset, that is the partial సో పార్షియల్ ఆర్డర్ అని చెప్తున్నప్పుడు మీకు ఇది ఇచ్చాను ఏ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ బి బట్ బి ఈజ్ నాట్ సబ్సెట్ ఆఫ్ ఏ సో దట్స్ వై దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ ద యాంటీసిమెట్రిక్ ప్రాపర్టీ సో ఇట్ సాటిస్ఫైస్ ద రిఫ్లెక్సివ్ ప్రాపర్టీ antisymmetric property and transitive property. Why? Because pi is subset of A is subset of B, automatically this pi is subset of B. But this B is not subset of A. So that's why reflexive property is not satisfied. So every element is subset or equal to A. So that's why this is what reflexive property, this is the antisymmetric, this is what the transitive. So that subset of any set of sets is satisfies the partial order relation. Now, next, so here the power set of this one. What is the power set for this 54? Here 3, 1, 4, 5. So power set of this 54 is none of this. So write the power set for this first. The power set for this 54 is like this. Okay. Here the 54 power set is equal to 3, 1, 4 and 5. Okay, so here the power set is, for this the power set is 5 only, okay, 5, only 5, okay. Now, power set of this one equal to, power set of this is equal to 5 and 1, 4 and 1, 4, 5 and 5. Okay, so this is what 3 is there. Writing one more time. So first 5, 3, 1, 4 and 5. Next one more 3, 1, 4, 5. So this is one set. So ikkada 1, 4 ni kuda malli manam em rastamu 1 and 4. That's why మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేశారనుకోండి హియర్ సో ఇక్కడ కూడా మనకి లేదు సో దట్స్ వై నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఆన్సర్ నౌ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ జీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఆర్ డిపెండ్ ఆన్ డొమైన్ ఏ అండ్ బి రెస్పెక్టివ్లీ దెన్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ప్లస్ జీ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈస్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ బి నౌ హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 56 దట్ ఈస్ సిగ్ నైదర్ 1 1 ఆర్ నాట్ ఆన్ టు కావాలంటే హెడ్ టు చెక్ వన్ మోర్ టైం హియర్. That is, for example, ఇక్కడ ఏముంది f of x equal to what అండి here the f of x equal to x square plus 2x divided by x minus 2. Okay, so it satisfies not 1 1 and on 2. Suppose for example here this is what r minus 2, that means from only 3. So 3 నుండి మీరు ఎలిమెంట్స్ తీసుకొని చెక్ చేసి చూడండి. So it is neither 1 to 1 or not onto. The next here a set A has any elements, then number of functions that can be formed from A into A is. How many number of functions are formed from A into A? A into A ki any functions, that means here manaki A and A to A function. So here A contains n elements and B also contains n elements. So in the one చూసాము if it contains cardinality of A equal to M and cardinality of B equal to N, then how many number of functions are there? That is n to the power of M. So here the cardinal function is from A to A. The cardinality of A is n, so that n to the power of n. This n to the power of n is the answer. Now here if n greater than or equal to 2, then the number of surjections that can be defined from 1 to n. Here 1 to n, how many number of subjections are represented? That is 2 to the power of, so that means the size is what? N is greater than or equal to 2. That's why 2 to the power of n number of subjections are there. Okay. That's why this is 2 to the power of n minus 1. So here number of bijective functions from set A2 itself when A contains 106 elements. So already మీకు ప్రాబ్లంలో ఇచ్చాను. దట్ మీన్స్ bijective functions, that means onto కూడా ఉండాలి. In that n factorial అంటాం. That means 106 factorials. So it is what 106 factorials. So 61, that is here this is f of x equal to x square. So this is bijective injection subjection. So this is none of. Okay, this satisfies only one. Now here, so this is what 62 is only what reflexive. Why? Because here x next y z is there. Suppose coming to this xy, so here yz is there. So coming to this xz, there is no zx. That's why symmetric is not satisfied. Okay, symmetric property is not satisfied. Here the symmetric property manaki satisfy kavatledu. So then next coming to the reflexive property. Here this reflexive property is satisfied. Coming to the anti-symmetric, x comma y, y comma x. Both of these two are same here. And x comma z, so there is no z comma x. Okay, and there is no anti-symmetric and irreflexive. So that's why it satisfies only reflexive property. Then next here this satisfies. So here some relation is given, that is 0 to 4 is defined like this. Here which of the properties listed below applies to this relation. So I have to check this question, that is indulo manaki idem satisfy chestundi. Here it satisfies both transitive property and reflexive property. Because you can see here how it is. Suppose here relation is r equal to x minus y, such that x plus y less than or equal to 2x. Okay, here 0 to, that means here a relation a equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Suppose here you can take 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0 less than or equal to 2 into 0. Okay, then next 1 plus 1 less than or equal to 2. 2 plus 2 less than or equal to 2 into 2, 4. 3 plus 3 less than or equal to 2 into 3, 6. 4 plus 4 less than or equal to 2 into 4, 8. Up to, so here it satisfies the reflexive property. And coming to the transitive, suppose 1 comma 2 is there. That is 1 plus 2 less than or equal to here 2 into x, 2. 2 plus 1 less than or equal to 2 into 4. It satisfies. Okay, suppose here 1 comma 3. So this is what 1 plus 3 less than or equal to 2 and 3 plus 1 less than or equal to 6. It is also satisfied. And coming to next, suppose 1 comma 3 and 1 comma 4. Okay, so here let me check chesnappudu. Here suppose 2 comma 3 is there. So in this case 2 plus 3 less than or equal to what? 2 into x, that is what? 4. And 3 plus 2, this is 5, less than or equal to 2 into 3, 6. So like that, here, that means inka meer anni possibilities check cheyandi. Okay, all possibilities you can check. That means 4 comma 3 comma 4 is there. 3 plus 4, sorry, every time by to kaadu, sorry, every time x value. So this is x comma y comma z. Here this is what only 4 only. Here student. So 2 comma 3 less than or equal to 2 into 2, 4. Here 3 comma 2. So this is x, this is y, this is y, this is x. So that 4. Now 5 less than or equal to 4. So symmetric property is not satisfied. Here the symmetric property is not satisfied. So coming to the transitive property, suppose 1 comma 4 and 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 4. Suppose you can observe here 1 comma 2, that is 1 plus 3, 3 less than equal to 2. Here 2 plus 4, 6, 6 less than equal to 4. Okay, then next 1 comma 4. So this is also satisfied 1 comma 4. That means 1 comma 4 nothing but here less than equal to 5 less than equal to 2. Okay. Here x comma y, y comma z. Still is also etc. 2 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 4. So here 5 less than equal to 5 less than equal to 2 into 3. Not satisfied. So transfer is also not satisfied, only this one. Sorry. Third one, that is B. Okay, Ala. So now what is the symmetric difference? The direct formula, that is symmetric difference is A minus B union B minus A, otherwise A minus B intersection B minus A. That is 64. Sorry. A minus B union B minus A, or A union B minus A intersection B. So this one and this one. So order of power set is 2 to the power of n. Now see here, if x comma y are the real numbers and ordered pairs is like this, x plus y comma x minus y and 2x plus 3y minus 3x minus 2y are equal. So when it is equal, suppose you can observe here 1 plus 1 2, 1 minus 1 0. So here what is, and substitute చేయండి, this 1 1 and this all these 2 3. Substitute both of these two pairs. Both of these two are equal. Which of these pair? Okay, so that is the 66 is means 0 0. Is 0 plus 0 0. Here also 0. So this is 0 and this is also 0. Remaining all the cases these are different. So sometimes as the questions are like this, inverse functions. So మనకి కొన్నిసార్లు ఏంటి అంటే ఇన్వర్స్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమంటారు. How you can find out the inverse of function? That means suppose here f of x equal to 10x minus 7. Here suppose f of x equal to, you can observe here y 10x minus 7. Here 10x minus 7. Now so this is what that is. Now you can write down y here 10x minus y equal to 7. 10x minus y plus 7 equal to 10x. Now x equal to y plus 7 by 10. Y plus 7 by 10. So ఇక్కడ మనకి only x variable లోనే ఇచ్చారు కాబట్టి just you can write down. So it is completed. That is x plus 7 divided by 10. F of inverse. That is f of inverse. F of inverse of y. So ఎలా రాసాం ఇక్కడ? Here x plus 7 is 10. So inverse function అడుగుతాడు sometimes. Now the question is the 68. Here a equal to m and b equal to n. Then the number of possible relations. How many number of possible relations? Here those number of possible relations are 68. That is d. That is 2 to the power of mn. So number of possible relations means, suppose here a equal to m and b equal to n, how many number of Cartesian products are there? That is m into n. అందులో ఎన్ని రిలేషన్స్ ఫామ్ చేయొచ్చు? 2 to the power of m into n. Okay, so like that these are the questions. Suppose sometimes the questions are like this also. అంటే మీకు ఇవన్నీ 70. ఫస్ట్ ట్రై చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉంటే అడగండి. అప్ టు 86 ఇక్కడ వరకు మనకి ఫంక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. సో ఆ తర్వాత లాటిస్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉంటాయి. సపోజ్ సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ లైక్ ఆస్క్ లైక్ దిస్ ఆల్సో. దట్ ఈస్ సపోజ్ హియర్ the question is like this. Suppose here a equal to now Here a equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, like this, and b equal to 0, 1, 4. And here the function from a to b defined like this, that is f of x equal to x square. Now find whether this is the one-to-one, onto, or bijection. You can find out whether this is one-to-one, onto, or bijection. Okay. So for that, first here write -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. 1, 2, 4. This is what the 0, 1, 4. Now -2. Now you can observe here the -2. This is -2 with -2. That is, this is a -2 whole square. This is 4. -1 whole square, 1. So 0, this one. 1, this one. And 2, this one. So here you can observe this is what? Here you can observe this is A, this is B, this is A. Every different element with different element, relation with different element, then this is one-to-one. But here, one, that means one-to-one means only one, every image have only one pre-image. But here this image has two pre-images. Sorry, this is only 0, and whereas that means f of 0 equal to 0, f of 1 equal to what only? 1 as well as -1. F of 4 equal to what? -2 and 2. That means here two pre-images are there. That's why this is not 1-to-1. And coming to the onto, so for every image there is an